today I'll show you how to get this very quick and easy glowy look for Monolids that took me just 5-8 minutes to do. This is what I do when I'm really in a hurry, and you can even skip some steps to make it even faster. Anyway, let's get on with the tutorial. So first, I have my brows done because I do it the same way all the time. I have a more detailed tutorial. I'll link it above and below. This takes me less than 2 minutes to do. And now let's get on with the eyes. First, I'm applying primer. I'm using Eccentric Cosmetics. And next, I'm using this brownish pink shade from the Heimish Dailism palette and applying it all over my lids, making sure it peaks above my eyeline when I open my eyes. Next, I'm applying translucent powder all over the edges of this pink eyeshadow block. Not only will this soften the edges, it'll make blending much easier later. To add depth, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and blending it in the outer half of my eyes and kind of winging it slightly towards the edge. Don't worry if this looks kind of messy because you're using a fluffy blending brush, we'll fix it later. Take this black here and draw a sort of wing with it and blend it inwards towards the brown. This will make your eyes look longer and bigger. You may have to grab the brown again and blend it into the edges of the black just to make sure there's no harsh edges. This is where you grab a fluffy blending brush and loose powder again and rub it around the edges of your eyeshadow to soften the edges and also smudge out any mistakes you may have made. Finally, I'm taking this shimmery pink here and lining my inner corners to widen and brighten it. And I'll skip lashes for now so you can see how the look looks without lashes. Okay, so if I'm in a hurry, I don't really have time to conceal very carefully. So I'd like a foundation that's pretty high coverage but still looking skin-like, and currently my new favorite is the Superface Zoom In Mesh Cushion. I'll show you this foundation at work. My shade is light. So with this cushion foundation, it hides quite a lot of my flaws, including this really red pimple I popped earlier. Yeah, it's really bad. So with this foundation, I don't need that much concealer. I can even get away with just foundation on this really red acne mark here. And because this looks really skin-like, I don't mind putting it all over the face. Normally, I only like putting it on certain areas of my face that needs coverage, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm gonna just put it all over my face. So I'm not gonna use any concealer because I'm in a hurry and I think the coverage is good enough this way. Let me zoom into the foundation so you can see how it looks like close up. Yeah, it looks very skin-like. I'm very happy and the coverage is excellent. So for me, one step that makes a huge difference to my face is blush, because I'm normally really washed out, and with just a bit of blush, I instantly look way better. So if I have time, I am going to use blush. So I'm currently using the Wardah Cheek and Lip Tint, and it's currently my favorite liquid blush right now, but unfortunately it's only available in Indonesia as far as I know. I do have the review, but unfortunately it's only in Indonesian. I'll link it above and below. So because I'm in a hurry, I'm just going to use the cushion from the Superface foundation. It works just as well as the Beauty Blender. Voila! Typically I'll just put lipstick and go. But if I still have time, another step that makes a huge difference is highlighter. So with this, I'm using NYX's Liquid Illuminator. If you watched my earlier videos, you'll know that this used to be my holy grail, and I still like it. It's just that there's so many highlighters out there that I keep trying new ones out. But you know, this is still an oldie but a goldie. So first I'm just tapping it on my cheeks, and then again blending it out with the cushion. And I'm also applying it on my forehead and again blending it out with the cushion again. Now normally this is where I wear a lip color or not and go, But again, for me, this is one quick step that makes a huge difference in my face and makes me look so much more prettier. But I know for some people it may be a bit harder. It's false lashes. I actually find it much easier to use false lashes than mascara right now, because when I use mascara, I have to wait until every layer dries because I have hooded monolids. If I don't wait for it to dry, I open my eyes and immediately my mascara stamps itself to my lids, and it's not a good look. So personally for me, for day to day, I prefer using false lashes because it's way faster. If I'm not using false lashes, I rather go mascara free, but that's me. So this false lashes I've already shaped for my eyes. I do have a tutorial on how to shape lashes to fit Asian eyes and how to put them on really quickly. I'll link the tutorial above and below. Ta-da! See the difference? That's it. Thank you so much for watching the entire thing, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.